How to log into your PNC online banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new guide video of One to Step. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact process that you need to follow to successfully log in to your online banking of PNC Bank. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end and let's get right in. Search for pncbank.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, it's going to take you to its website. Now from this website, you'll be able to see an option or a button called sign on the top right. You can just click on this button and this drop down login form will open up. Now to log into your account, you'll need to first type in the user ID that you have and the password that you have. So in the first box, type in the user ID and in the second box, type in the password. Now other than online banking, you can also log into different types of accounts. If you click on this arrow right here, you can see there are a few other accounts that they provide, and if you're trying to log into these accounts, you can just click on any one of them and fill in the details to log in. Once you type in both of these information, you can just click on login and you'll be successfully logged in to your online banking of PNC Bank. So that was a short and easy video. I hope you guys understood and found this video helpful. If this video did help you out, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.